Dear friends, welcome to Quest for Knowledge. In this session, we are going to discuss where keyword. Where keyword is introduced in Java 10. So watch this video to understand it. Now let's begin today's video. Basically, it adds type inference to declaration of local variables. Here you can see x, we are assigning 25 to x is a variable, and keyword used is where. So it will automatically detect the data type of this x variable based on assigned value. Here we are assigning integer value to it. So data type of x will be int, right? In second case, we are assigning character value to ch variable. So data type of ch will be char. So no need to write particular data type. We can use where keyword and it will automatically identify the data type of variable, right? There are some scenarios where we can use where keyword. We can use where keyword with local variable with initializer. We can use where keyword with indexes of enhanced for loop. We can use where keyword with local declared in for loop. Now let's see each case one by one. So first case is local variable with initializer. So here we have class named where_demo1. Inside this class we have main method. Now we are writing where x equals to 25. So here data type of x will be int because we are assigning integer value to it. In next statement we are writing where y equals to 15.5. So now we are assigning double value to it. In next case we are writing where ch equals to a. So this is character, we are assigning character to ch, so it will automatically detect the type of ch and that will be char. In next case we are writing where boolean equals to true. So here variable name is bool and we are assigning true to it. So data type of bool will be boolean. Now we are writing each variable inside SOP. Here you can see. So when we run this code, output will be, it will print value of x, y, ch and bool, right? So we can assign any value to variable declared as where and it will automatically detect the data type of variable based on assigned value, right? Now in this case we are using where keyword with indexes of enhanced for loop. In this code we have one class named where_demo2. We have main method. Inside main method we have one integer array holding 5 elements and we are iterating this integer array using enhanced for loop. So this is the syntax. We have used where keyword over here. So we are iterating from this integer array, we are storing to this x and here type of x we have written where. So it will automatically detect the data type of x and it will be int because this array is of type integer. So type of x will be int. Now we are printing value of x. So it will print all the elements of this integer array. When we run this code, output will be, it will print all the elements 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, right? So hope this particular output is clear. So this is simple. We have used where keyword with enhanced for loop, right? In next case we are using where keyword with local declared in for loop. Here you can see we have one class named where_demo3. We have main method. Inside main method we have one integer array holding 5 elements and we have used for loop to iterate this array. So you can see we have written where over here, where I equals to 0, I less than 5, I plus plus, and we are printing element at index I, right? So it would automatically detect the type of this variable I based on this assigned value. So when we run this code, output will be, it will print all the elements of this array. So hope this particular code is clear. This is simple. So there are some scenarios where we cannot use where keyword. We cannot use where keyword in an instance variable declaration and with lambda expression, or we cannot use where keyword for method parameters and return type, and we cannot use where keyword as a generic type. Now let's see each case one by one. So here we are using where keyword with instance variable declaration. Here you can see we have one class named where_demo4. We have one instance variable x. We have assigned 5 to it and it is declared as where. Next we have main method and we are printing one statement, right? So when we try to compile this code, it will generate error, and error you can see where is not allowed here. So it is indicating this particular line showing it is a error. We cannot use where keyword with instance variable, right? So here where keyword is not allowed, right? So we cannot use where keyword with instance variable declaration, right? Now let's see another case. Here we are using lambda expression. We have already discussed lambda expression in one of the videos. You can refer the link given in the description box to understand lambda expression. Now here we have one interface named greeting with one abstract method greet. We have one class where_demo5. We have main method. Inside main method we have declared this object as where, and we are writing lambda expression. We are printing one statement hello, and we are invoking this greet function of this obj. So when we try to run this code, output will be, here you can see it will generate error, cannot infer type for local variable g_obj. Here g_obj is of type where, and where keyword is not allowed with lambda expression. Here we have return lambda expression, and with lambda expression we cannot use where keyword, right? It will throw this error, cannot infer type for local variable, right? So with lambda expression we cannot use where keyword, right? Now in next case we are using where keyword with method parameters and return type. Here we have one class named where_demo6. In this class we have one function greet, and return type of this function is where. We are returning return hello. Next function we have is show, and it is taking one parameter of where type, and we are printing value of x inside this function. We have main method. Inside main method we are creating object of this class where_demo6, and we are invoking greet function and show function with this obj object. So when we try to run this code, output will be, you can see we have two errors. Where is not allowed here, so it is indicating this particular line because we cannot mention return type as where. And next error is where is not allowed here, so it is indicating this particular line. In this line we have declared this parameter as where type, and this is not allowed. We cannot use where keyword with method parameters and return type. So in this code we have two errors, as you can see. So it will not compile and it will generate these two errors, right? So hope this code is clear. Now let's see where keyword as a generic type. Here in this code we are dealing with collection. we are creating list, so we need to import java.util package. We have one class named var_demo7. We have main method. Inside this method we are creating one list named marks. So type of elements of this list is declared as var, and we are adding elements to this list using add method, and we are printing this list, right? So when we try to compile this code, it will throw error. Var is not allowed here, and it is indicating to this var keyword. So here we are declaring type of elements of this list as var. So this is not allowed. We cannot use var keyword as a generic type, right? So it will not compile and it will generate error. Hope this code is clear. If you have any doubt, any query in any of the code, you can write me in the comment box. You can also share your suggestions to me. Thank you so much for watching this video. For more videos, you can subscribe to this channel. Thank you so much.